sound like Darth Vader. Hey guys, I just stood up. I just tied my shoe. This is not even funny. Be quiet or I will kick you out of the realm. Apparently I'm floating because I can't sit in a chair, so I'm levitating. Apparently I can't sit in a chair, but you're asking not to go. Apparently I'm floating. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get fat. What do I do? Hold the shrimp? Oh, look, shrimp. Oh. What else do you have? An eating disorders? I hope you had a nice time. I did, being away from you. You know what? I keep telling everyone I'm never going to be 600 pounds. I might actually be 600 pounds. We all know you're getting there. We all believe in you. You're just an awful human being. Well, no, you're not a human anymore. You've turned into an ogre. You've evolved. I'm calling the police. Your fingers are too fat to dial any phone number. If you're gonna fat me, you can leave. This chair won't move. What? I'm not talking to you. I'm angry. You feel your arteries getting harder? And more clogged? Good, let people see how you treat me. I hope you leave all this in. I'm gonna be eating Cheetos. A lot of them. Because you want to get fatter. I'm so sorry. Like, you should be bathing in broccoli. Bathing, showering in kale. You're so mean. You really are. I learned from the best. I am so sorry you have to hear this. We're gonna do what that ASMR guy does in a very creepy way. Hi everybody, welcome to my ASMR where we're not allowed to speak. Good. No one wants to hear you. You don't stop eating. Ouch! You made me. I mean, you hit your funny bone. Was it funny? No. God. Do you even brush your teeth? Your teeth are so yellow. For what? To eat, because I'm hungry. You're hungry? Get my blood sugar back. You literally just did a mukbang like an hour ago. It's called hypoglycemia. No, that's just an excuse. That's called disordered eating. No, you know. I barely ate in the video. See, you had like 5,000 calories in a sitting. Presented in front of me. I didn't actually consume it. Oh no, you ate all of it. I can smell your arm too heavy. Can you no longer brush your teeth because your arm fat's getting in the way? Okay, I'm about to leave. I'm gonna have one more bite and leave. Your thigh arms? I'm gonna have one more bite and then leave. One more bite and then